In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to know your PIN in Roblox. If you enjoy the tutorial, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. Knowing your PIN in Roblox helps secure your account and protect against unauthorized changes to your settings or purchases. It adds an extra layer of security, especially for account recovery. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the page loads, look at the left-hand side panel and click on the More icon. A drop-down menu will appear where you should select the Help and Safety option. This action will open a new window. In that window, click on the Help option. This will redirect you to a new tab in your browser, taking you to the Roblox support page. Once you're on the Roblox support page, you'll notice a large search panel at the top of the page. In the search box, type the word PIN. As you type, a suggestion called Parent PIN, General Information will appear. Click on this option, and it will provide you with the relevant details about the parent PIN. Next, look for a hyperlinked option labeled Set up Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it, and once the new page loads, scroll down a little bit. You will find a link to Contact Customer Support. Click on this link, which will take you to the customer support page of Roblox. On the customer support page, you will be asked to fill in some information, such as the device you are having issues with and the specific problem you're facing. Provide the necessary details in each field. In the description box, describe the issue you're experiencing in your own words. And after filling out the form with your email address and name, click on the Continue button. This will create a support ticket for your issue, allowing you to retrieve your PIN. And that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.